Hi Aurora, I'm Diana Denwood, Senior Water Conservation Specialist with Aurora Water. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the delicious foods that grow naturally in Colorado and make our state wildly tasty. It would be hard to make a meal out of the fruits and vegetables that grow naturally on the plains of the Front Range, but up in the mountains, you can find wild onions, service berries. The largest and most delicious service berries I ever had were in the Raggeds Wilderness, which you've got to admit is the best name ever. You can also find thimbleberries, raspberries, peppermint, and wild strawberries. Wild strawberries are tiny but tastier than anything you can buy at the store. Make sure to leave some for the bears. Here on the plains, you'll find edible greens that are invasive. All the more reason to eat them. Add peppery dandelion to your salads. Just make sure to choose the younger leaves for the best flavor. Purslane is a common weed in your garden that's high in vitamin C and tastes really good, but identify it correctly because of a lookalike called spurge, which may be toxic. And then every part of a wild plantain is edible. You can eat it in lots of different ways. Stay away from weeds that may have been sprayed by herbicide or pesticides. You may have noticed that I didn't mention mushrooms. There's a reason for that. While there are many delicious mushrooms that grow native in Colorado, foraging for them may be dangerous, so make sure that you go with an experienced guide. Foraging is fun, but you can grow a lot of these native plants easily at home. Wild onions, serviceberry, and mint will grow very happily in a water-wise garden, and those invasive plants will grow anywhere that you let them. Remember, growing food instead of lawn is using your water wisely. Thanks for joining me, and see you in the next video.